Right, I just wanted to share with you for my quick tea break a cool bit of acoustics that I think is brilliant. And you might have noticed it. I love things when you just notice them by accident, and they're interesting. So inside the cup, I've got some hot milk. I just microwaved, and I added some powdered chai tea. This one is plum and cinnamon, very nice. And it froths up, obviously. But what's really cool is when you stir it around, you can hear that the cup becomes like more bell-like, sort of more resonant. So it becomes a bit more musical, as if it's sort of made of a hollow piece of wood. But if I tap it, it sounds as you'd expect, but it sounds quite different to if you had a cup of tea or coffee. And what's really cool is if you leave a little gap between the taps, listen to what happens to the note. Here we go. Try again. That semitone each time. Just keeps going as well. And then you stir it up again. Goes back down. I just thought that was really weird, and so I've done lots of stirring. And it's to do with the density of the liquid. So when the density changes, the pitch of the mug changes when you tap it, because it's the mug and the water making the musical note. And scientists at the University of California have actually found a way to use this for something useful, not just for fun. They've developed a medicine testing musical instrument. So it's a tube basically, and they put liquids in of medicines, and by the pitch of the frequency of the sound, or by the fingerprint of the sound, they can detect if a medicine is genuine or fake, just because the density of the liquid will be different to the genuine article. So I love that. Some bit of acoustics that I discovered in my lunch break, tea break, and people are using it to protect people from the dangers of counterfeit medicine. Enjoy your tea.